This is the back door of the business, the Collective Outdoors. Wait until you see the video of the water rushing throughout the business. Monday's flash flood sent water running throughout the building at the Collective Outdoors. Employees called the company's president to give them the bad news.
The building is over 100 years old, so we're used to little leaks here and there, but the 4 inches of rain through the showroom is just unpredictable.
Collective Outdoors specializes in luxury patio furniture. They needed help right away, so Hillman reached out to his old high school buddy named Dustin at MVP Restoration. Hillman learned the sooner the better when it comes to treating water damage.
What I learned this week was the mold issue, and we talked a little bit about that. When that mold, it creeps up over, he's like 48 to 72 hours, it can go up to like 6 feet high in our drywall. I had no idea.
MVP Restoration arrived and set up blowers. The back warehouse also needed drying out, along with several offices hard hit by water. In just hours, moisture from the air nearly filled this 13-gallon trash can with water. MVP also checked moisture levels to monitor their progress.
I live by this meter. I've used it for many of years.
Other North Texas restoration companies are just as busy, like Dahlworth Restoration in Euless, which shared these photos showing damages from the flash floods. Damage to homes throughout the Metroplex is just as bad.
In the last 3 or 4 days, we probably helped out 10 to 15 different homeowners, and we're still getting calls today.
And Dustin warns, if you have water damage, get it checked out now, because later it could be worse. In Fort Worth, I'm Scoop Jefferson.